Hello, computer-aided design engineers. Now, this is what I made just right now, and I will show you how I made it. But first thing first, before we start making anything, what we have to do, this is Creo. What you have to do is go to Options, then we have to go to Sketcher, and make sure that you have clicked on all these things and these log the modified dimension and log the user defined dimensions. Okay, and for this sketch, I have to make the precision up to 3 decimal places. You can change it anytime. Okay, so for this sketch, these are the things that you should do before you start making the sketch. All right, and okay, and then you can start making sketch. What I have done, I have made the sketches on all three softwares. First, I made it in SolidWorks, then I made it in Creo, and then I made it in Autodesk Inventor. All right, so here is the here is the Creo, and here is the SolidWorks. It is the same part that I have made. I have made this in SolidWorks, as you can see. And in this also, that you have to make sure that you have to go to options, and again sketch options, and make sure that you have clicked on this create dimension only when the value is entered, and another, use the fully defined sketches. These two options that you must tick first. Okay, uh, this create a dimension only when the value is entered, and this use fully defined sketches. This is very important. This is used for defining the sketch fully defining the sketch, and this is also used where we are. Yeah, and this is also used for creating the dimension when you enter the value. All right. Now, another thing, you can go to document properties and image quality, and if the image quality is low, you can make it high. What will then your system will work slower. As you can see, I have made it high. Now actually it is the precision. Now I keep it here, and I keep it here. All right, so that my system is quite nice, so it can hold this. There would be no problem. This what this does is that it make the accuracy of the quality of our drawing. All right, I think you got it, and it is done. All right, okay. And another, here we have Inventor. I made the same thing on the Inventor as well. I did not make the tutorial how I made it in Inventor, but here you can see. All right, and in this also I think we have options. Here is the options. Yeah, here is the options. And this also, there is the general options, and you can use a fully defined sketch. Where is the fully defined sketch options? Go to sketch options, and it is already fully defined, I suppose. Yeah, so no changes need to be done here. All right, so this is it. So what I did, that I started making the drawing from the SolidWorks. If you want to shift directly to the Creo, you can just skip the video, just move it along, and just go to the next part where I will start talking about Creo. Okay, I will layer it, layer the video into parts, so that you can see from where from where I have started talking about and drawing about the Creo. All right, thank you. Hello, computer-aided design engineers. This is an introductory video on tutorial on SolidWorks and Creo. And as you can see, I have opened SolidWorks, and now I'm going to open a part. I will be showing 2D drawings, how to make a 2D drawing, and just the basics of SolidWorks in this video. And here's the front plane. Click on the front plane and sketch. Okay, I want to sketch on the front plane. Okay, so this is my front plane, and I want to first of all, let me tell you about little basics of this. Okay, let's suppose I'm making a line. I think I just made a line, and I want to give it a dimension. It is a dimension 4.6. Let's suppose 4. Okay, let's make another line. Yeah, so here I can give it a dimension of like 55. Now this line has a 55 dimensions. Now I can click on it and make it horizontal, so that this is horizontal. And here's the reference point. This point, the origin point, is the reference point. It is this line is showing fully defined because it is horizontal. The relation is horizontal, and this is not showing the fully defined because this is blue. And what we are going to do, we are going to give it a relation and give a smart dimension. Click on this and this point, and this is 7 centimeter. Let's make it 7 units. Okay, so this is 7 units. Now it is also defined. So this is how we make the basic things. Okay, let me show you another thing. If I make a circle, it is going showing me the diameter. Let's suppose 20 units of diameter, and the symbol for the diameter is phi, as you may know. And uh, okay, so this is a rectangle. Here we can make a rectangle. We can also choose what kind of rectangle we want. We can use a center rectangle, in which we can make a rectangle from the center. Okay, and we can give the dimensions side by side if we want. If we don't want, we can just click on it, and there is no need to give a dimensions. It is always better to give dimension as you proceed with your drawing. And here is the arc. If you want to not don't want to make a circle and you want to make an arc, so you can make an arc like this. Okay, and define the radius of the arc. Or you can use the center pointer. This is the basically the center point arc. You make the arc and you define the center point. And if you want to, let's suppose if we make a line here, let's suppose if we make a polygon. All right, we made a polygon, something like this. All right, and I want to trim this side. I can click on trim entities and go to here and trim it. And this also I need to trim. So, and I think this also I need to trim. That's how we do it. Okay, that's the basic of it. And actually what I'm going to do now, it is right, let me tell you one more thing. Offset. If I want to offset this line, okay, I click on this line, the parameter offset distance, let's suppose 5 mm, and direction this direction. It's basically selected all this, so whole entity is offsetting. And so this and this, all the three things are offsetted by 5 units. Why this is happening? Because I made a rectangle. This is not a line. If I made it from the line, then I can just make it horizontal. And if I want to offset it now, then it will only ask me the direction of it. Okay, this direction, or I can click on reverse direction and I can just give the dimensions of it. The SolidWorks software is quite easy to use as compared to other software, and it is very user friendly, and everything is quite good here. Another thing, yeah, we can use some mouse wheel up and down to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and another thing is, if you want to pan means if you want to hold the control key and click on the middle mouse button, and then this symbol appears, which in which you can just move your whole image. Okay, and this is the pan. This is called pan. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a part, and here is the part. I'm going to make this drawing. Okay, a 2D drawing. I will share the link to this image in the description. Okay, or you can just screenshot right now to and use it as a reference while watching the video. And I'm going to make it. Okay, first of all, let me delete it. I'm going to select it and delete it. Delete relations, display delete relations. You want to delete it. Click on the delete button on your keyboard, delete, and it will be all gone. All right. Now I want to make this. All right. I have actually opened it another on my iPad so that I can view it side by side. And what I'm going to do is make this. Okay, so I'm going to make a circle and the radius is 1.75. 1.75. Here's the diameter. 1.75. Oh, come on. Control C to undo. Control redo. Come on. I forgot how to redo. Alright, no problem. I'm going to give it the smart dimension. Now I want to give it a dimension 1.75. Alright, 1.75 is the diameter. And here is the smart dimension. If I click on this dimension, this is showing the diameter. And if I want to make it dual dimension, I don't want to make it dual dimension. Primary value, okay, dimension, precision, leaders, dimensions, other, full given value, tick, okay, primary value 1.7 mm, dimension, text, okay. All right. Okay, so now another circle is 1.125. Okay, we click on circle 1.125. All right, this is showing 1.3. It is rounding off, and if you want to change it, you can change it here. And options, click on here, options. This is the options. Okay, options and sketch, then dimensions. I think we have to go in performance, style, drawings, display style, performance, display relation. Where is the dimension? I forgot. Wait a minute. Dimension. This performance, display, document properties, detailing, configurations, display, annotations, dimensions. Here is the dimensions. Primary precision 1 2 3. You have to click on this, okay, and then okay. It will automatically go point in 3 decimal places. Okay, continuing to our drawing. This I'm doing in the front plane. Okay, everything is going on in the front plane. Let's make another circle here, and the radius is, and the diameter is 0.75. 0.75. All right. If I untake on the diameter dimensions, it will, I think, do this. Click on delete dimension, delete. Okay, now if I give one dimension, and this is going 5. All right. Diameter settings. Actually, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to change the dimension of this diameter to the radial dimensions. Okay, have smart dimension. I've already given this dimension. All right, click on this, and wait a minute. Let's just Google it.
Diameter. Okay, I will circle in diameter, and this dimension will be changed into radius. Click this option, radius, and this.
All right, so there is an option there. We click on this and there is an option. This. Oh, we have to click on this option. Oh, okay, so this converts it into diameter and radius. Yeah, so we find out finally. And another diameter 1.65. Let's make another diameter 1.625. Right. Control Z. 1.625 is the radius. No, 1.65 should be the diameter. 1.625. All right. Yeah. Another circle of radius 0.437. Click on the circle, click on diameter dimensions, click on now. Yeah, 4.37. All right, I don't have to make this. We will change this. Basically here the radius is given 4.37. What we can do is we can write 0.437, sorry, 0.437. Then we can multiply it by 2 and it will automatically make the dimension accordingly. All right. And point radius is 7.5, 0.75. Again the radius is given 0.75. I want to make it dimensions because I have given tick on the diameter dimensions, and so I'm going to multiply it by 2. It will automatically convert it in 1.5. All right, and I have to make it. All right, let's make a little bit of relation. So click on this and click on this, make the relation horizontal. All right, let's make another circle. uh, Click here, another circle. The radius is 0.875 and 0.875 multiplied by 2 will be the diameter, and this will be the diameter, and the distance between these 2 points is given 5.804. 5.804. Badak. All right, let's shift this here and this, move it here actually. Now all right, so smart dimension, this point and this point, distance between these 2 points is 0.75. All right, and we have given the dimension of this, and this. Now what we have to do is make another 2 circles of same dimensions. What we can do, instead of making, right, we can do it again. Let me do it again. 0.75 multiply by 2, and here is this, and again click on circle, .437 multiply by 2, make the relation horizontal. Now what we are going to do is click on this point and click on this point. automatic relations. This is horizontal. I know this is horizontal. We have to give this a dimension. And this is 1 unit. All right. And this is coincident and tangent. And this is tangent. Make the relation tangent. Distance is this. Okay. Or make it the relation horizontal. Tangent, done. Okay, so we have another relation. This point is at 2.1312. All right, this point to this point, 2.312. All right, so it is showing 2.312. Now, oh, this circle is 0.875 and this circle is 4.38. Multiply by 2. And that's our circle. I want to make it radial dimension. I can change it. Let's change it right now. Actually, if I change it right now, then every dimension will automatically change into radius. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do, I keep it right now. We'll do that later on. Alright, here is the offset entities. I'm going to offset it. This line, this direction, okay. And what I'm going to do is 0.313. Yep. I give this dimension here. And what I'm going to do is mirror these along this. Let's make a center line. Tatra, center line. Mirror these two entities, mirror entities, this entity and this entity along this entity, and it will automatically mirror and enjoy. Alright, now let's trim some things. We have to trim also. Trim entities. Ola, 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 Ola. Alright, Ola, Ola, Ola. Don't ask me why I'm saying Ola. I'm just saying Ola because I'm feeling like saying Ola. What the hell happened? Something wrong happened. This is like, are you kidding me? I'm not kidding. Alright. Item is unsolvable. Alright. We have to click in display and delete relation. All the relation, this offset. What the hell? What is the problem with the offset? Tell me. Tell me what is the problem with the offset. Alright. Delete. Yes. Automatically gone. Now what is the problem is the display and delete relation. So many display. Delete all. Holy craps. Alright. What I'm going to do is let's fully define sketch again. Calculate all entities. Okay. Tuck. Now we have relations. Right. Now smart dimension. 1.75. Ticky tick. This 1.125 ticky tick. This 1. Alright, kidding me. Let me get Z, 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 Z. Yeah. Now tell me what is the problem is the. We are finding solutions. Let us diagnose. Sketch expert is on work. He will diagnose the solutions. I think I have done over dimensions. It could be the reason. Alright. Alright. That tangent relation should not be done. That was creating problems. Yeah. Don't make the tangent. Ugh, so much problems. Alright. Continuing on the sketch. Yeah. Continuing on the sketch. Basically, this stuff is overdefined, I suppose. Alright. Now, what do we have to do? Let's make another two circles. And make these two equal. And make these two equal. Equal. Alright. Now, drag it here. And we have to make the relation angle 3 point smart dimension. Click on this point and this point and this point. No, 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 no. This not making this. Okay. Click on this point, then this point, and then this point. Alright, it will make the angle from the worst angle. Alright. Now let's click on this point, and this point. Yeah. Now it's making a central angle. You are irritating me. Do one thing. Click on this point and extend it. Alright. I haven't. Why I'm not able to? Yeah. This is our center line around z axis, and let's make another center line. Horizontal center line. Yep. Alright. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make another center line. Now just give the smart dimension between, not this. Alright, smart dimension between, click on this line and then click on this line. It will automatically show you the angle and make the angle 40°. Yep. And another thing is that you have to make an arc. Center point arc. Center point arc, okay. Click on this point, then this point, make an arc here. Alright, click on this point and this line, make it correlation coincident, automatically coincident. And now it's fully defined. Why this is not fully defined? I don't know. We will figure this out. Alright, now another center line point arc. Click on this point, this line, and tangent automatically detected. Another center line arc. This, and this. Tangent automatically detected. Another center point arc. This, this, tangent automatically detected. Alright. Click on this point and this point, make relation coincident. I think we can merge points. Yeah, make the relation merge points. We merge the points. All right, now what we are going to do, see the diagram. Yeah, it's almost done. We have to make a circle of radius 0.625. Hold up. 0.625 multiply by 2. Alright, here it is. Now click on this and make the relation tangent, and click on this also, make the relation, and this, and make the relation tangent. Give it the smart dimension. I think we don't need to make a smart dimension of it, but it's fixed. Alright, now we have to make it another circle of the same radius. Alright, click on circle, make another circle, click on this circle. Alright, escape. Alright, click on this circle and this circle, make the relation equal. Okay, then click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent, and escape, and this circle make another relation tangent. Yep. Now what do we have to do? Make a line. Let's make a line. We make a line. All right, now what do we click on this circle and this line, make a relation tangent. Yep. And this line and this circle make a relation coincident, and this line and this circle make a relation tangent. Control Z, hold the point and drag it here. Right, and click on this line and this line, make a relation tangent, automatically detected. Now alrighty, I don't need this tangent. Oh shit, delete this line. Oh, that is why it is showing too close. I have to make another circle. Okay, delete this circle as well. We have to make another circle is radius of 1.375. Radius of 1.375. 1.375 multiply by 2. This is our circle. Now we have to make another circle. A circle. Click on the circle and the circle, make the relation equal. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation the circle, make the relation tangent, and escape. This circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Automatically detected. Now we have to make a line. Line. Click on this line, make a line. Alright. Then click on this line and so arc and make a relation tangent. Alright. Just drag it. And click on this line and this circle, make a relation tangent. Automatically detected. What you need to do now is trim the circle. Now trim entities. Let's start trimming. Trim, 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 trim. Alright. Let us start trimming. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. This. We also don't need this. 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 We also don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Alright. We also don't need this. 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 Also don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Alright. Looking good now. This. Now what do we have to do? Make another circle of radius 1.75. 1.75 multiply by 2. Alright. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Escape. Click on this circle and this line, make the relation tangent. Automatically detected. Now trim entities, patak. Yeah, that's how it is done. And now basically I have given, alright, I have not given the horizontal distance. Yeah, smart dimension, this point and this point. Let's make the distances 1.75. 1.875, sorry, 875, 1.875. Yes. Alright. Oh crap, what happened? What happened? This is not good. This is fine. I haven't given the dimension radius to this. Wait a second. How can this be happening? This is the radius 0.438. No, I haven't given this order. Alright, we will give this smart dimension. Radius of 0.438. Cool. This is fine. This is not fine, I suppose. Dimension. Smart dimension. Click on this. And we don't need why automatically it converted into radius dimensions, God knows. Let's see. Click on dimension, make the dimension. Alright, we will change the dimension later on. Leaders, how much is the radius of this dimension? 0.875. Click on double click on this. 0.8775. 0.875 radius. Done. Yeah, now it's good. Crap. Alright, we need to delete this. Yep. Let's do this again. Make a circle. Yeah, I forgot to give the radius. The circle 0.625. Alright. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation equal. Radius will become equal. We want both radius equal. Click on this circle and this circle, make relation tangent. Click on this circle and this circle, make relation tangent. Now it's good. Now what do we have to do is trim entities, and we don't need this circle. Complete circle is gone. All right, trim this, and we need this, and we don't need this, and we also don't need this, and this also we don't need. This also we don't need. Yep. Now I think it's all clearly defined. Now let's make the changes. Click on this dimension, leaders, give the radius dimension. Click on this dimension, leaders, radius dimension. Alright, now it's looking good. Click on this dimension. Where is? Have I not defined this? Oh yeah, I have defined this. Click on this dimension, leaders, radius again. Alright, and this dimension, leaders, radius, this dimension, leaders, radius, this dimension, leaders, radius. Right, now it's good. Now it's looking good. Alright, now everything is as the way it should be. Right. Now we have to give the radius of this dimension. The only thing blue we have is this. We have to do something about it. Yeah, click on dimension. We click on this point and give this line automatically. Don't change it. Alright, now it's done perfectly, and here we are done with our sketch drawing, and we can exit now. Fully defined ही तो है. Yeah, it's now fully defined. Exit. It is fully defined. What the hell? Okay, we have extra entities. Alright, now it's fully defined. Now I can exit. Yeah, you see. Now if I want to edit it again, click on this edit sketch and I can exit sketch now. So here this is how we do a basic 2D drawing in SolidWorks. Now what we are going to do is make the same thing in Creo. Creo. Oh wait a minute. Controlling. As you can see, now I have opened Creo and we are going to do the same thing in Creo. Now we click on new, part, solid. Okay. And we select the front plane and click on it and sketch. Now we click on here, sketch view, so that we can open the sketch view. And I'm going to make the whole thing again in Creo. First of all, we have to make a circle, another circle. Let's make all the circle at once. Yeah, two circle here, two circle here, two circle here, another two circles here. Yeah, these are all the circles that we want right now. Automatically it will define it. As you can see, it will automatically define it. Now we can change all the dimensions here. Now if I want to change it, 1.375, 1.375. As you can see, it is almost diminished because these are dimension in hundreds and this dimension is in one. So what we are going to do is select all, delete, and do it again. Why do you ask? Another thing. If you want to pan here, you can select the control. Oh, come on. I don't think you have to control the shift and pan, not the. Let's open the sketch view. Yeah, it's the sketch view. And what we are going to do is make a circle again. Here's the center. Okay, here's the center. Hey, wait a second. Wait a second. So yes, I don't want to save it. Select on the front plane, sketch again. Yeah, and then sketch view. Automatically realign. Yes, now it's good. Make the circle. Two circles. Now, or it will automatically give the dimensions. What you are going to do is give the dimension is 1.75. 1.75. 1.75. Yeah. And give this another dimension. 1.125. 1.125. Alright. Yeah, it seems to be almost diminished. Now we have to make it small. Escape. Click here. Make it small. Oh, come on. Where are you? We have to make shift. To do pan, we have to use shift. Alright. Again, sketch view. Oh my goodness. What's happening? Sketch view. Yeah. Click on this. Bring it small. Click on this. Bring it small. Click on this. Bring it small. Bring it small. Bring it small. Alright. Now it's good. Click on shift for panning. In SolidWorks, what we did for panning, we click on the control and then we hit the middle mouse button and we just drag our mouse. In this, we have to, for panning, we have to use shift. Shift and pan. Shift and pan. Okay. Easy enough. Now, as you can see, I have made a dimension 1.1250. It is accurate up to 4 decimal places. If I want to change it, I can do it. I just need to go to tools, maybe view. No. Oh wait, file and options. Yeah, file and options. Now we have to go Sketcher. We have to go to Sketcher, and then we have to make the precision 3, 5, 3. All right, then it will automatically make the relation 3. Let me show you. You click on this, delete. Click on this, delete, delete, delete. Okay, it will automatically show me. Now click on this, delete. Model, file, model, analysis, tools, accumulations, operations, file. We are in the sketch. Go to sketch and dimensions. Click on this, dimensions. All right. What we are going to do? Make another 2 circles. Circle, 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 circle. Now we have to give the dimension of these circles. What is happening? It will automatically define all the dimension, I suppose. Alright. This is the distance from there. This is the distance from here. This is the dimension for the bigger circle. I want the bigger circle dimension. How much? 0.437 into 2. 0.437 multiplied by 2. Alright. Automatically adjusted. And I want the diameter of this. Point 0.75 into 2. Okay. Now make the relation control this and this equal. Then select this and this, make the relation equal. Okay. This distance from the center is not given. This is 5.804 minus 2.312. 5.804 minus 2.312. It will automatically calculate. Okay. And another dimension from this center to this center to center. Come on, shift and pan. Yeah, we have one problem here. The problem is that all the dimension that we want to give is center aligned, meaning that every dimension that you want to give is going to be from the point here. Okay, so this is 3.492 and minus 1. I want to make this dimension 1, so minus 1, and I can click on escape. Minus 1, 2.492. Alright, now it's done like a good boy. Now what we have to do is make a line. Click on this line, point, line. Yep, I think this is coincident relation. What we are going to do, click on this and this circle, make the relation tangent. Sorry, click on this circle and this line, make the relation tangent. Now what we are going to do is going to offset this. This distance is 0.313. I have calculated it. And now offset this. How much is the diameter of this? 0.437 into 2. And again offset 0.313. Right, all the offset are done quite nicely. Now what do you have to do? We go to sketch. We are on the sketch, and where is the trim? Delete segment. This is the trim of Creo. Delete segment. Yeah. All right. Holy craps! Control Z. Oh. Yeah. Oh crap. Yeah. Do it again. You don't want to delete any line that you don't want to delete. Be aware of that. Now this looks good. Yeah. Now it's look good. Good enough to get us going. What is happening? What is this line? I don't know. Let's continue. Yeah. Now you can see it automatically make the dimensions of up to 3 with the 3 decimal places of accuracy, which is what we wanted. Now Oh, we have to make two more circles. I'm tired. This one from this line is double click on this and 0.75. Yeah. And this bigger circle is 0.75 again. And this normal circle is 0.1, 0.625. A bigger circle, 1.625. Good enough. Shift, translate. We are going to make this relation horizontal. It is automatically horizontal. What is this? Now what we have to do is make another circle. Alright, make another circle, two circle. And another two circle. And give the dimension 0.875 into 2. Give this dimension 0.438 into 2. This distance from this distance is 2.312. Right. Yeah. And this point to this point distance is dimension. This point. Now it is automatically here. I don't have to give this 1.875. No. This point and this height. It is asking height. I don't want to give the height. I want to give this. And what is this distance? And it is asking this distance. It is automatically. I can't give the dimensions from this point to this point. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Alright. So this will be 1.875 1.875 minus this 0.75. Automatically aligned. Now what we are going to do is give the dimension. Click on this point, and this point. Angle dimension. Give me the angle dimension. We have to click on dimension. We have to click hold control key. Click on this point, and this point. No, it is not giving me the dimension. So what to do? How to give the dimension? Let's make a center line. Click on this point, and yeah, pretty nicely. And this is a center line, I suppose. Yeah. So we have to give the dimension now. Click on. Holy crap! This and this. Okay, it has already made the dimension angle. So this is 90 minus 40. How much is 50? This is 50. 50. Yeah, I'm not sure that it was like this before. 0.876. Alright, let's make a circle here. No, we have to make an arc, center point arc. Center point arc. Yeah, this. I'll make this. Alright, click on this point and this point, make the relation coincident. Yeah. Okay. Now here is the coincident, and everything is automatically defined. 1.628 and it's hitting me 1.628. Haven't I given this the dimension? Alright, I forgot to give the dimension. Click on this and click on this. Make the relation equal. Click on this and click on this. Make the relation equal. Now it's good. Now it's good and well defined. Yeah. Another arc. Here we go again. Yeah. Automatically detected again. Make all the arcs you want. Make all the arcs you want. Alright. Now. Yeah. We have to make another circle. Two circle more. One circle. Two circle. And three circle. Basically three circle. Yeah. What is the diameter of the biggest circle? Biggest circle is diameter of 1.375 into 2. Into 2. Yeah. Yeah. Now we are talking. 1.375 into 2. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Again, hold shift and move. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. And define this dimension of this is 1.625 into 2. 0.625 into 2. This is, let me check. Come on, dude. 0.625 into 2. Yeah. Alright. Now click on this circle and this circle, make the relation equal. Now we have to make another circle. Circle. Click on this circle and this circle, make the relation tangent. Click on this circle and this line, make the relation tangent. And then delete segment, delete this segment, delete this segment, delete this segment, delete this segment. Zoom in. We don't want this, we don't want this, we don't want this control, this. We don't want this and this. We don't want this and we want this. Don't want this, 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 don't want. We are going pretty good, I say. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a line. Make a line, make the relation, click on this line and this line, make the relation tangent. Click on this line and this arc, make a relation tangent. Click this on this line, make the relation tangent. Alright, tangent and tangent. Now what we are going to trim it. Delete segment, delete segment. Now what else do we don't want? We don't want this, don't want this, right? Alright, and I think we are done. Now we are done. Quite well enough. Okay. Here. Congratulations. We are done with our sketch. If you want to edit again, you click on this edit definition. The only problem we have here is that this whole thing is not fully defined. Like if I click on this and drag this, it's gone. Now I have to do undo, otherwise what is the meaning of me making the dimension? It is not fully defined. Let me think. Can we make this fully defined? Options, dimensions, settings, window sketcher, and sensitivity dimension, lock, modify dimensions, lock the user defined dimensions. Okay. Yeah, click on that. We want to lock the dimensions. All right. We all want to lock dimensions. Control Z. All right. If you want to make the sketch fully defined, then you have to lock the dimensions. Click on the here options. It is working fine, I suppose. Yes, it is working fine. I'm so happy. All right. Now another thing. Where's the dimension? Where was I? Oh, select SketchUp. Yeah. If you want to click on this also, you can click on this also. All right. My accuracy is 3. If you want to click all these things, you can click on all these things and save changes. All right. Now it's done. Yeah, it is automatically done. Now if I want to edit it, I cannot change this, I suppose. Now I can still change it. How can I change it? Let me say 1.25. How much this is? Oh come on, I forgot again. This is 1.875. All right, escape, control Z. Yeah, nothing happened. What you want to do is, always remember, click on this options and go to sketcher and just do this. All right. Okay. Now click on OK and it's done.